When the rubber meets the road, when you can tell whether you or anyone else is really intellectually independent, is when it's controversial to uphold what you see and think to be true. That's when you can tell the difference, right? It's very easy to be honest most of the time, but then, they could take a bank robbery. He's honest, 90% of the time, and he just swindles or defrauds or whatever, or steals money, on occasion. You don't call this person honest. You say, no, this is a dishonest person. Well, likewise, a person who is intellectually independent isn't someone who is intellectually independent when it's easy, when it's convenient. It's someone who is intellectually independent regardless of ease, regardless of convenience, as a matter of principle.